Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to Our Irish Family. So today I want to do a video with you that I've been contemplating about doing for a while. If you've been following me for a long time, you will know that we have a daughter, a 2-year-old daughter, and we live in a 2-bedroom apartment. So with the process of elimination, you will kind of know that she does have her own bedroom, but I never ever show it because it's in a terrible condition. Basically, myself and Robert moved in here in 2014, and that room, her room, has always been the room that is the dumping ground. It's where we put all of our dumping rubbish, and yeah, so it's always been the dumping ground. And we've continued that. We have her cot in there and her pram, her stroller, but everything else in there is just a pile high. You'll see it now in a minute when I show you the video. So my challenge for the month of April is to try and get that room in a more calm, collected working order. Now the unfortunate thing about it is that we live in a rented apartment that comes fully furnished. Sorry if you can hear any noise. I'm right in front of the window and it's hot in here today, so I have to have the window open. But so we have fully furnished apartment is what we rented it as, and we have asked our landlord when we first moved in whether or not we can move those beds out because we don't require them. Myself and Robert had our own bed that we brought in, so now in Ava's room there is 2 beds. Again, you will see that in the video. I kind of show that that there is 2 beds in there, and we can't store it at either of our parents' house, that there's just not enough room, and also it's just not cost effective for us to get a storage unit to store them in there. So we have changed, the management company has changed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send them an email today and just kind of request that we don't need them. I might have to tell a little bit of a white lie, just to plead my case with them that unfortunately, because of whatever, we can't keep those. Is there any chance that they can take them and give them to somebody else, and so on. So that is my plan. So that's what I'm going to do. If that fails, which is probably like a 90% chance that that is going to fail, I'm just going to have to work around that room and try to sort it out, make it just going to be a bed and a cot and bookcases and so on. So yeah, so I will now show you what that room currently looks like. So here you have it. Here is Ava's room. As you can see, her cot is there against this wall. Essentially we pull it out because she pulls out stuff. But on the bed we have a mountain, a huge mountain of things. Then over here we have bookshelves with DVDs and books and a whole range of stuff that we probably don't even use anymore. Then here we have 2 side tables, or chest of drawers, or whatever you want to call them. So we have them stacked on top of each other. In here we have her wardrobe that is essentially filled. Oh, the buggy stays there every day unless we're using it. So I pull it out and I'll show you guys what's in here. So this is her wardrobe, but unfortunately it's full of suitcases. Now, we may be able to put these suitcases in our parents' house, so we might just do that, just to have more space in here for her. And also in here, it's just full of random things. At the top, we've never used those things. We have some bags, some nappies, some cloth nappies. Down here, all the toys that we received at Christmas that I haven't yet given to her. Here we have some bedding, and then the bottom two are just shoes. And a box. This box here is for her Ergo wrap or Ergo carrier that I got years ago. So this is it. This is my starting point. This is where we will be starting. As I said, throughout the month of May, I hope to transform this room. And as I was saying, this is obviously this is a double-sized bed. But if you see here, you might be able to see. We have two mattresses, because one is from one bed that was in our room and the other is from this bed that was in this room. And then under here, besides from these balloons, we have a whole pile of wood which makes up the second bed. So that's it. It's not good. We know it's not good, but we continue to put stuff in there. So I really want to make a start on that, because it's not fair on Ava having to sleep in that room. I know when my own room is cluttered that my mind is all jumbled, so I can only assume it's the same for her, if toddlers feel those sorts of things. So I'm making a start. I have already made a start. So far I've done this. These two bags were sitting in Ava's room near the buggy. And I just moved them out before we started. I've went through them. And these things here, what I found, and I think one other thing is stuff that I'm going to try, because the majority of them are new, so stuff I'm going to try to sell. And if by the end of May they haven't sold, I'm just going to donate them. But these two bags here, these are going to get donated to the charity shop today. So I have already brought those, right before I recorded this video, I brought those two bags that you saw, the white and the black bag, and I brought them over to the charity shop that's near our house, and they're gone now. So I have a pile of clothes that I'm going to be selling, and I also have sold 3 of those bits already, and I have 4 more lots on Facebook Marketplace and also on adverts.ie. It's like a selling place here, and I also have heard about 2 other places that I could potentially sell them, and obviously eBay is also an option. So I'm going to give myself to the end of May to sell them, because it's now it's the last day of April. So I'm going to give myself 4 weeks to the end of May, or 5 weeks, whatever it is in May, to sell those. And if they don't sell, I'm just going to bring them over to the charity shop, or there is a free cycle zero waste site that I can put them on for kids as well. So they'll go to one of those options, and that's what's going to happen with them, because the whole point of this operation is to get things out. So this is my May challenge. Wish me luck, guys, because this room has always been a roadblock for me. We have numerous times decluttered it, cleared it out, and then again we're just piling stuff back in there. So I'm kind of hoping I can put in place stuff to stop that roadblock, stuff to stop me from putting things in there. So anyways, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up to let me know that you've enjoyed it, and giving it a thumbs up really helps me rank on YouTube and lets other people find my videos. Subscribe if you are new, hit that little red button and subscribe here. And if you're a new subscriber or an old subscriber, hit that little bell button, because it lets you know every single time I upload a new video, and you don't want to miss out on these cool videos, especially if you want to follow this May challenge. Hit that little bell button, because every time I upload a video, it will give you a little notification that I've uploaded a new video. I have a blog for you guys to check out. I upload once, sometimes twice per week, on a rolling 4 days is my new schedule there. The majority of the time is going to be different to what I upload here. So if you're interested in following me along there, or irishfamily.com, it will be linked below for you to check out anyways, I have a new blog post about some plant-based cleaners I was testing out. from Nimble Baby, so check that out. That will be in the description. And then finally, follow me over on Instagram at Karen H Ireland is my username there. I try to upload some Insta stories and group pictures, and it just lets you know what myself, Ava and Robert are doing on a day-to-day basis if you're interested in that. So again, I'd love if you joined our little family over here, our family over on Facebook, our family over on Instagram, and our family on my blog. So that's it guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.